How to make your car last 300,000 plus miles. Have you ever wondered why some cars seem to fall apart early, while others keep running strong past 300,000 miles? The truth is, long car life is not just about buying an expensive vehicle, it is about how you maintain it, how you drive it, and how quickly you respond when something feels off. A car can serve you for many years and cover hundreds of thousands of miles, but only if you treat it with consistency and care. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 10 powerful secrets that can help your car last 300,000 miles or even more. Let's get into it. Number 1. Stick to strict synthetic oil changes. This is one of the biggest secrets to engine longevity. Your engine oil is the lifeblood of your car. It lubricates internal parts, reduces friction, carries away heat, and helps prevent wear. But once oil gets old, dirty, or breaks down, it stops doing that job properly. That is why using high-quality synthetic oil and changing it every 5,000 miles is such a smart habit. For turbocharged engines, it can be even more important to change it sooner. Waiting too long between oil changes allows sludge to build up, increases internal wear, and slowly shortens the life of your engine. A lot of engine failures do not happen suddenly. They happen little by little because of neglected oil changes. So if you want your car to go the distance, never play games with oil maintenance. Number 2. Change your fluids early. Many drivers only think about engine oil, but your car depends on several other fluids to stay healthy. Transmission fluid, coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid in older vehicles, and differential fluid all matter more than most people realize. Manufacturers may give long replacement intervals, but if your goal is maximum longevity, changing these fluids earlier is one of the smartest things you can do. Transmission fluid breaks down over time due to heat. Coolant loses its protective ability. Brake fluid absorbs moisture, and once these fluids degrade, they stop protecting the systems they are meant to preserve. A good rule is to replace major fluids at roughly half the manufacturer's maximum interval, especially if you drive in traffic, hot weather, hilly areas, or under heavy loads. Fresh fluids are much cheaper than a transmission rebuild or engine overheating damage. Number 3. Use OEM parts only. This is where many people make a costly mistake. They try to save money by installing cheap aftermarket parts, only to create bigger problems later. OEM means original equipment manufacturer. These are parts designed specifically for your vehicle and made to meet the exact standards your car was built with. Sensors, ignition components, filters, gaskets, and even suspension parts perform best when they are OEM or equivalent top-tier quality. Cheap third-party parts can cause poor performance, wrong readings, rough idling, warning lights, or early failure. In many cases, the labor to replace a bad cheap part twice ends up costing more than doing it right the first time. Number 4. Protect your car from rust. A strong engine means little if the body and frame are rusting underneath. Rust is one of the biggest silent killers of long-term vehicle life. It attacks the undercarriage, suspension mounting points, brake lines, and structural sections of the vehicle. This is especially important in coastal areas, places with humidity, or regions where roads are treated in winter. Salt and moisture can quietly eat away at the metal under your car. To prevent this, wash the undercarriage regularly and consider rust-proofing treatments. Do not only clean the visible parts of the car, the underside needs attention too. A clean undercarriage can dramatically increase the life of the vehicle and preserve its safety. People often focus on what is under the hood, but what is under the car matters just as much. Number 5. Fix minor leaks immediately. A small leak may not look like a big deal today, but it can become a major disaster tomorrow. Whether it is engine oil, coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid, or power steering fluid, leaks should never be ignored. Small leaks often get worse slowly. The problem is, by the time the leak becomes obvious, the damage may already have started. A slow coolant leak can lead to overheating. A transmission fluid leak can cause slipping and wear. An oil leak can leave the engine running low on lubrication. The key is to deal with small issues while they are still small. A simple gasket, hose, or seal replacement today can save you from a massive repair bill later. Long-lasting cars usually belong to owners who act early, not owners who wait for the warning signs to get louder. Number 6. Drive gently and warm up your engine properly. How you drive has a direct impact on how long your car will last. One of the worst things you can do is start a cold engine and immediately drive aggressively. When an engine is cold, the oil has not fully circulated yet, and metal parts have not expanded to their normal operating condition. Give your car about 30 to 60 seconds after startup, then drive gently for the first few minutes. You do not need to sit there idling for a long time, but you do need to avoid hard acceleration and high revs while the engine is still cold. Gentle driving reduces stress on the engine, transmission, and drivetrain. Harsh acceleration, sudden braking, and aggressive shifting may feel exciting, but over time they wear out components much faster. Smooth driving is one of the most underrated secrets to vehicle longevity. Number 7. Clean the MAF sensor and throttle body. This is a simple maintenance step that many people ignore, but it can make a real difference in how your engine performs over time. The MAF sensor, which stands for Mass Airflow Sensor, helps your car measure how much air is entering the engine. The throttle body controls airflow during acceleration. When either of these gets dirty, the engine can start running inefficiently. You may notice rough idling, hesitation, sluggish acceleration, reduced fuel economy, or inconsistent performance. Cleaning these components helps maintain accurate air-fuel mixtures and smoother engine operation. A clean engine breathes better, runs better, and lasts longer. This is not something you need to do every week, but periodic cleaning can prevent buildup and improve overall performance. Number 8. Take tire care seriously. Tires do much more than help the car move. They affect handling, braking, alignment, suspension wear, and even fuel economy. Neglecting your tires creates unnecessary strain on other parts of the vehicle. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles. Keep them properly inflated, check for uneven wear, and make sure your alignment is correct. Driving on underinflated tires or badly worn tires can damage the suspension, reduce stability, and create extra stress on the steering system. Good tire care is not just about getting more life out of the tires themselves, it is about reducing wear across the whole vehicle. A car that rolls smoothly will age much better than one that constantly fights bad tire conditions. Number 9. Keep the engine bay clean. Some people never open the hood unless there is a problem, but keeping the engine bay reasonably clean is a smart long-term habit. A dirty engine bay traps heat, hides leaks, and allows grime to build up around electrical connections and components. When everything is covered in dust, oil residue, and dirt, it becomes harder to spot developing problems early. A cleaner engine bay helps you notice leaks faster, inspect components more easily, and reduce the chances of dirt-related electrical issues. It also improves airflow and helps the engine area stay healthier overall. Number 10. Listen to your car. This final point may be the most important of all. Your car usually tells you when something is wrong before it completely fails. The problem is, many people ignore the signs. A squeal, clunk, ticking sound, rough shift, vibration, warning light, or change in the way the car feels should never be brushed aside. Strange noises are messages. They are early warnings, and when caught early, they are often much cheaper and easier to fix. The difference between a minor repair and a catastrophic failure often comes down to how quickly you respond. Owners who listen carefully and act fast usually get far more life out of their vehicles than those who keep driving until something breaks. So, if you want your car to last 300,000 miles or more, remember this: it is not one big secret. It is a set of smart habits done consistently over time. Change your oil on time, replace fluids early, use quality parts, prevent rust, fix leaks fast, drive gently, keep critical components clean, take care of your tires, keep the engine bay in good shape, and most importantly, pay attention to what your car is telling you. A well-maintained car can reward you with years of reliability, lower repair costs, and real peace of mind. Your car does not need magic to last longer, it needs discipline. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants to keep their car running strong for the long haul.